Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Apple Watch battery draining fast. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is to simply restart your Apple Watch. So first of all, you just have to press and hold the side button. So this is going to basically ask for the power off. So you just have to slide in order to power it off. After that, you just have to wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you just have to turn the watch back on. So this particular step is going to clear the background processes that may be draining the power. Now, if after doing the restart, the issue still persists, you can also try disabling the background application refresh. So background applications constantly consume the battery. So you can open your watch, then you can go to the settings. So in the settings, you just have to look for the option of general. In the general, you are going to find the option of background application refresh. So you just have to turn it off completely and disable the unnecessary applications. Now, most of the users don't realize how much battery this setting is going to be uses. So you just have to do it as soon as possible. Now, the third solution that you can try is you can reduce the wake screen activity. For that, in the settings, you just have to go to the option of display and brightness. Under display and brightness, you just have to basically disable this display and the brightness option. Now select wake on wrist raise if not needed. You can select wake on crown rotation if it is enabled. So the less screen activation means longer battery life. Now you can also check the workout and the GPS usage. So fitness tracking uses the heavy power. If workout GPS run frequently, the battery drains faster. So you can disable the automatic workout detection if you rarely use it. So the software bugs often cause the abnormal battery drains as well. So you can install the pending updates. The battery optimization issues are commonly fixed with the help of the updates. So you can try these methods and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.